This is 352 square meter lot owned by our subscriber, Miss Yvette. She asked for help in designing her dream house because she wasn't sure where to start. Therefore, we are here to help her. We're going to design her house using modern contemporary style. Let's get started. Miss Yvette's lot measures 16 meters by 22 meters, or 352 square meter. She envisions an L-shaped house with a carport, pool, and secure fence for privacy, along with landscaping to enhance the aesthetic. Starting with a bubble diagram, we mapped out her design. You always want to consider setbacks based on local regulations, and adding a firewall on this side. Proper setbacks ensure airflow and privacy. We oriented the L shape to maximize space and natural light, with the longer side facing east for plenty of daylight, without harsh afternoon sun. The pool and deck are placed also on the east side for warm morning light. The carport sits northeast, naturally ventilated, and shaded for comfort. Inside, Yvette wants an open floor plan for the living, dining, and kitchen, with large windows to flood the space with light. The bedrooms will be on the shorter side, with the master bedroom including a walk-in closet and ensuite, while 2 common bedrooms share a bathroom. Miss Yvette wants an open plan for her living, dining, and kitchen. So, we're going to use one type of tiles for these 3 areas. A 0.20 by 1.2 meter, wood look tiles in a medium brown tone bringing warmth and texture to the space while maintaining a polished appearance. Let's now proceed to the living area. The design features a warm, sleek, modern contemporary style. The walls are painted a smooth beige, while a light wood tone PVC accent wall adds depth and visual interest, enhancing the modern feel. You'll love the large windows, which stretch from floor to ceiling, framed in sleek black aluminum, letting in plenty of natural light, and connecting the indoors with the outdoors. The sectional sofa in taupe fabric is both functional and stylish, paired with accent chairs that mirror the taupe upholstery, and feature black metal legs for a minimalist look. Coffee tables with circular black metal frames and light tops create a balanced focal point, while beige and light brown pillows add warmth. Personal touches like a black and white cityscape print and potted plants introduce freshness and personality into the space, keeping it sleek but inviting. For the ceiling, you've got a tray design with integrated LED strip lighting that creates a soft ambient glow. Pin lights and a modern geometric pendant light ensure the room stays bright and stylish. The dining area showcases a clean contemporary look with sleek lines and balanced tones. The walls are smooth beige, enhanced with light wood tone PVC panels for subtle texture and depth. You'll love the large floor-to-ceiling windows framed in black aluminum, which flood the space with natural light and offer great views. The dining table with its wooden top and black metal legs serves as a minimalist yet functional centerpiece. The chairs in muted gray fabric feature soft, curved lines, making the seating arrangement both stylish and comfortable. A console table with a wood top and black frame adds style and practicality for decor or storage. To create a focal point, an abstract art piece in neutral tones hangs above the console. Simple yet purposeful decor elements, white vases, and greenery in modern planters add a soft, natural touch. For the ceiling, a simple flat design with black accents creates visual interest. Track light are neatly integrated into the ceiling, providing soft, ambient lighting that set a cozy atmosphere for your dining space. The kitchen has a sleek modern look with clean lines and a balanced color palette. The handle-free cabinets in matte light gray keep the space streamlined and uncluttered, enhancing the modern feel. You'll love the countertops, which feature marble-look quartz with white veining, adding a luxurious yet subtle touch. The minimalist beige backsplash blends seamlessly with the rest of the color scheme. A black-framed open shelving unit with warm wood shelves adds both style and function. The bar counter mirrors the countertops with a black marble look, accented by vertical wood panels for texture. Light beige bar stools with black metal legs offer comfortable seating that fits perfectly with the modern style. Minimalist decor like white vases and small plants bring a touch of nature to the design. The lighting is thoughtfully planned, with matte white pendant lights hanging above the bar, creating a cozy focal point. Recessed pin lights provide general lighting, while LED strips under the upper cabinets add ambiance and practicality. The overall design highlights the clean lines, while keeping the kitchen warm and inviting. The master bedroom offers a serene and elegant design with modern contemporary touches. Wood look tiles in medium brown add warmth, complementing the soft light gray walls. Behind the bed, a wood tone accent wall introduces texture and visual interest. The furniture emphasizes comfort and style. The bed, upholstered in deep charcoal, features bedding in neutral shades of gray and black, with plush throw pillows for added softness. Matching dark wood side tables flank the bed, while a floating vanity with wood details ties everything together. Large windows framed in black aluminum flood the room with natural light, enhancing the open, airy feel. An abstract painting located in the wall, and above the bed, a two-tone abstract art piece in beige, and black adds subtle elegance. Lighting sets the mood, with LED strips behind the bed softly, illuminating the wood slats. The vanity also benefits from LED lighting, while pin lights in the ceiling ensure a cozy, well-lit space. Decor elements like a beige poof, a woven gray and beige rug, and modern greenery add texture and warmth, making the room feel inviting and comfortable. The walk-in closet features a sleek, functional design rooted in modern aesthetics. The flooring is light gray polished concrete. The cabinetry and shelving are crafted from wood laminate, with a matte finish in a medium ash tone, giving the space a neutral, earthy vibe. Matte black and dark brushed metal hardware complete the minimalist look. Recessed LED lighting in the ceiling offers general illumination, while strip LED lights in the shelving highlight the neatly arranged clothes and accessories, adding a luxurious feel. The ceiling, made of smooth white drywall, complements the minimalist aesthetic, with recessed lighting blending seamlessly into the design. The decor is kept minimal, with neutral storage boxes, ensuring the space remains clutter-free and functional, following contemporary design principles. The master's toilet and bath blends luxury and functionality with modern design. The flooring features 0.60 by 0.60 meter, light gray porcelain tiles with subtle veining, providing a sleek backdrop that contrasts beautifully with the marble look wall tiles in soft white and gray. A wood tone accent wall behind the toilet adds warmth and softens the contemporary look. The shower is enclosed by a curved frosted glass door, with a black metal frame offering privacy and style. Inside, marble look tiles and a built-in niche offer both elegance and functionality. The floating vanity features dark quartz with a speckled texture and a light wood cabinet for storage, while LED strip lighting around the mirror enhances the stone. The wall-mounted toilet, with a sleek floating design, keeps the look streamlined, while matte black shower fixtures tie the space together with contemporary flair. The ceiling is painted white, with recessed pin lights for general illumination, while LED strips highlight key areas like the vanity, shelving, and accent wall, adding depth. A small black-framed window brings in natural light, balancing the interior's luxury with outdoor views. Bedroom 1 has a serene, minimalist vibe with natural tones and sleek finishes. The flooring features light wood look tiles, adding warmth and continuity. The soft, light beige walls are complemented by a wood tone accent wall behind the bed, adding texture and depth. You'll love the large windows framed in black aluminum that flood the room with natural light. Sheer beige curtains filter the brightness while maintaining privacy. The simple, functional furniture includes a beige upholstered bed with clean lines flanked by minimalist light wood nightstands, matching the accent wall for a cohesive look. To the left, a taupe wardrobe with light wood shelves offers storage and room for decor. The open shelves display a few well-placed items, keeping the aesthetic calm. A light gray rug beneath the bed adds softness. The white flat ceiling features pin lights for bright illumination. A black track light above the bed adds contrast, with adjustable directional lighting. An LED strip integrated into the headboard casts warm, indirect light, highlighting the wood paneling and creating a cozy glow. Simple decor, like a small potted plant, and minimal accessories adds personality without cluttering the space. Bedroom 2 embraces a minimalist and functional design with modern touches and warmth. Wood look tiles and light. Natural wood create a consistent flow, while the off-white walls enhance the airy ambiance. Large floor-to-ceiling windows with black frames let in plenty of natural light, softened by neutral drapes. These curtains balance light and privacy, blending seamlessly with the neutral palette. The bed has a simple white frame with light gray and white striped bedding, and gray throw pillows that add contrast without overwhelming the serene feel. Next to the bed, a built-in desk with a matte gray finish offers a functional workspace, complete with shelves and storage. The gray fabric desk chair with black metal legs adds comfort and practicality. The wardrobe and shelving, finished in matte light gray with black accents, offer ample storage while keeping the room uncluttered. Above the desk, open shelves with LED strip lights provide both storage and task lighting, making the workspace bright and functional. The ceiling is flat and white, with pin lights providing bright, ambient lighting. LED strip lights integrated into the shelving add a soft glow, creating a calming space for both work and rest. A black desk lamp adds a modern touch, and extra lighting when needed. The common toilet and bath features a refined modern aesthetic with careful attention to materials and lighting. Dark gray porcelain tiles with a matte finish and subtle veining cover the floors, while dark stone look tiles on the walls create a luxurious charcoal base. This contrasts beautifully with the light gray upper walls. The cabinet and shelves, hepels and storing essentials for minimal clutter. The shower is enclosed by frosted glass, with black metal accents for a sleek look. Inside, a white ceramic or acrylic base contrasts with the dark tones, and a built-in niche provides practical storage. Matte black fixtures, including a rain shower head, add sophistication. The vanity area has a matte black granite countertop with 2 white vessel sinks for contrast. A light wood cabinet beneath introduces warmth. LED strip lighting around the vanity mirror, and shelves creates a soft ambient glow, elevating the space. The white ceiling has embedded pin lights for even illumination. LED strips highlight the shelving, making it both functional and decorative. A floating wall-mounted toilet and integrated flush plate keep the look seamless. A black framed sliding window ensures natural light and ventilation, completing the sleek design. Let's now discuss the proposed exterior of the house. For the pool area, we've gone for a sleek, modern, contemporary look that blends clean lines with practical materials. In the shower area, we've chosen textured matte wall panels to add depth while keeping things minimal. The matte black shower fixtures not only look great, but are also durable. For the pool deck, we've used light-colored porcelain tiles. These are perfect for outdoor spaces, durable, slip-resistant, and designed to stay cool even in warmer months. You'll love how the soft beige tiles pair with the greenery and water, creating a calming atmosphere. For the pool finish, we chose a quartz aggregate. It provides a smooth, luxurious surface while giving the water a sparkling blue effect when sunlight hits. The quartz ties in beautifully with the modern design. The accent wall behind the pool features stacked stone cladding for texture and a natural touch. The neutral gray stone contrasts with the smooth beige walls and tiles, adding depth while keeping the modern aesthetic intact. This textured finish brings warmth and character to the space, balancing the sleek lines. Moving on to the carport, we're incorporating a pergola-style roof made from metal slats that allow filtered sunlight to pass through, providing both shade and natural light. These slats feature a light wood tone finish, which softens the industrial feel of the space and adds warmth to the overall design. This blend of metal and wood tones creates a perfect balance between functionality and style, offering a sleek modern look while maintaining a welcoming atmosphere. The flooring will feature textured tiles in a light gray tone, complementing the industrial palette of the carport, while providing a durable and non-slip surface. The combination of the warm wood tone slats and light gray tiles creates a contemporary yet inviting space that blends seamlessly with the modern aesthetic of the house, ensuring both practicality and visual appeal. For the terrace, we've chosen wood-toned cladding for the walls to add warmth and texture. The wood contrasts with the clean, modern lines, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere that's key to the modern contemporary style. You'll love the furniture that perfectly complements this design. The hanging egg chair, with its matte black frame, adds an industrial feel while offering a comfortable spot to relax. The light gray cushions provide a soft, neutral tone that fits the modern palette. A round side table with a wooden top ties in the natural elements. For the flooring, gray porcelain tiles offer durability and low maintenance while keeping the look neutral and cohesive. The combination of natural materials and clean lines captures the modern contemporary essence, creating a functional and welcoming outdoor space. Miss Yvette wants her house to reflect a modern contemporary style with her gate and fence. The materials we've selected include sleek metal slats and concrete posts to create a clean, minimalist look. For the gate and fence, we'll use steel slatted panels in matte black, offering durability and a bold modern aesthetic. The light gray concrete posts add structure and contrast while maintaining a streamlined appearance. To add a touch of warmth, we've chosen WPC wood tone for the gate, providing a natural wood look with low maintenance. The combination of steel, concrete, and wood creates a stylish, contemporary vibe that balances form and function. This design ensures both privacy and an inviting appearance, capturing the essence of modern simplicity while still feeling welcoming. The gate also features vertical slats, giving it a sleek, understated elegance, while the materials provide durability against the elements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.